In this video we will learn rotate entities and scale entities. The Rotate Entities tool is used to rotate an existing entity about a defined rotation point. Click the Rotate Entities tool. Select all the lines in the entity. Click the center of rotation box. The box will have a blue background when it is active. Enter an angular value for the rotation or move the cursor to select a rotation angle. SolidWorks defines the counterclockwise direction as the positive angular direction. A horizontal line to the right is 0.0 degrees. In this example, an angle of 30 degrees is selected. Click the green OK check mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.